I don't know how to improve my CR accuracy in the assumption questions. Paradox, yes, I get like 90 to 100% accuracy. For other topic wise, I'm still okay.
Some of these things can become a mental block, right? So I just want you to take it for what it is. If you know that in Evaluate you're able to manage 95 to 100% accuracy, and the language of those questions is harder than it is for assumption questions. In Strengthen and Weaken, you might not be able to achieve 95, 100% accuracy, but if you're able to achieve 80, 85% also, I'm saying that is brilliant, right? That is in no way an indication of someone who's weak on CR. Language is also not tripping you up. What exactly is it when you analyze the questions that you go wrong in? Why do you go wrong?
Options I get now, when I do the negation, I think yeah, ये तो पक्का 100% ही रहेगा negation के बाद जो भी logic में लगाती हूँ, and then when I read the answer, तो ये तो अलग ही है. After reading the explanation, I do get the reason why I'm wrong.
There are some questions, Jayashree, that are within your comfort zone. The ones that you can answer without having to put in a lot of effort. And then there are some questions जो आपके comfort zone से बाहर हैं, right? The ones that really make you think. The ones that really push you to think slightly harder than you usually do. Now, what happens on those questions is that generally we end up cutting corners. We are not investing as much time as is required for those harder questions. हमें लगता है that because other questions you were able to do in about 4 minutes or 5 minutes, you typically find that ठीक है, अगर there's a question that's even harder, I should be able to do it in 4 or 5 minutes. And that pressure is basically what keeps you from investing your energies in the right direction. अभी ये सारी चीजें बहुत concrete और precise नहीं है, only because the data in terms of why you're going wrong is not there.
आपका जो मैंने वीडियो देखा, you are telling to someone like Murad on run, तो उसमें आपने एक लाइन बोला था कि some people are very good at remember the things, like they have a good memory, and I am in that category. So I don't know, बहुत सारे times पे तो ऐसे हो जाता है ना, मुझे क्वेश्चन ही पता रहता, हाँ इसका तो सी है, ऐसे हो रहा है, and I don't want to that happens at all.
ऐसा क्यों होता है कि there are some people who end up getting better results from the same machines, the same dumbbells, whereas other people don't. ऐसे GMAT में होता है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो कम क्वेश्चंस के साथ they are able to get to a very high level, and कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद भी they can't reach a decent level. Why does that happen? That primarily happens because they're not focused on the approach.
So before I dive into the solving the questions, what would you suggest me to do now? Like, should I
focus on approach, जो हमने discuss करी है class के अंदर. Second, don't focus on time. Obsess about analysis. Why are you going wrong? You have to write it out and you have to send me the analysis by the end of the week so that I can study it and tell you what is it that you need to do differently.